Okay, let's see if it's actually recording any sound this time. Okay, so we've done the Raspbian config. We've done another reboot. So it's time to get our Xserver installed. So let's start with that. So basically we don't want everything that comes along with the package. So we're only going to do an installation of the recommended stuff. Okay, that's not too bad, so we can actually do this one. Once this one's completed, then we'll start with installing XFCE4 as our desktop environment. We don't need to select Display Manager because it's included in XFCE4, so that's one of the good things. We'll also install a few other basic utilities like Synaptic as a package manager, Chromium as a web browser, DNS utils because we like to have our basic network utilities. We'll also install Python 2.7 and pip for Python. So let's wait until this progress bar is done and then we can give it the next commands. I'm doing them separate because only for the Xserver org. I don't want the recommended packages. For XFCE4 and all the others, I do want them. So I'm just gonna let this one complete. Okay, so now we can do the other ones. So we want XFCE4 terminal. I think it's terminal. Synaptic. Chromium. DNS utils. Idle. Python 2.7 and Python pip. Yes, maybe I should type out, otherwise it's not gonna do much. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here because this is gonna take quite some time, and I'll once all this is installed, I'm gonna launch our Raspbian config one more time to specify that it needs to boot up in the desktop environment with an automatic login, because I don't want the login screen for different users, because we're only going to use one user on this. And after that we'll restart it and then we should be in our desktop environment. Once we're in that step, I will do the configuration to get Pulse Audio working.